Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can search for filters on Instagram. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the plus icon at the top of your screen and go on versus stories. You wanna go on versus camera. Now once you go on camera, you want to swipe to the right until you see the search looking icon like this. Swipe until you see it. Now once you reach at the end, you can see this little browse effect called thing where magnifying glass looking icon. Click on it. Now you are at the place where you guys can search for filters. Now what you can do is click on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and search for the filter you want. So let's say I want messy filter. I can just write messy and it should show me all the filters with messy. Now I can click on the one which I like. So let's say I like the first one. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on try it. Once I click on try it, I can use the filter over here. As you guys can see, now I have a filter with messy over here. Now I can create a video or click a photo like this, and that's basically done. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can search for filters on Instagram. And if I want to upload the photo, I can click on the arrow, click on share, click on done, and it's going to be added to my story in Instagram. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can search for filters on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.